Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just making some more things in PHP. So this is the old work, so I'm just deleting all the things. I'm not actually deleting the variables as well, but just the different if else's. Right now I'm just teaching you another operators in PHP, the logical operators. So how to use them? Simply just call the if, and inside the if just call the var1. At this time I'm just using simply the comparison operator, and here I'm just putting the var2. Yeah, in this way, var2. This is the perfect way. And obviously var1 is equal to var2. As you can see that this is 5 and this is 5 as well, so this echo should be shown in the browser. Now let's just go to the echo, and here I'm just typing the value is, or yes, value of both variables are same. Okay, now let us save it and go to the browser and refresh it. Now the values, actually there should be the values, not simple value. So this is not actually programmatical mistake, by the way. Now everything is fine as you can see, but here I'm just typing, for example, I just want to get two different conditions and then their results. For example, this is okay that var1 and var2 is right or is equal, but I want to check the var1 and var2 and as well, so I'm just simply typing a and d and pressing in space, and here I'm just typing var3 equal to var4. Okay, what I'm just telling here that the var1 and var2 should be equal to each other, and obviously this is a logical operator, which means simply or, not or actually, and by the way, the translation of and is or in my language, so I just said or, by the way. So obviously here this is the var3 and var4. Okay, and here I'm just telling that both of the values, both of the pairs actually should be cleared and should be true. Then this variable will run, this echo will run. Go to the browser and refresh it, and obviously I'm getting the value. That means the var3 and var4 is equal as well. If I just change something in var4, for example, okay, var4 has no a and var3 has a at the third character. Now go to the browser and refresh it. Now the value is removed, obviously. However, the var1 and var2 is perfect, but here I got some kind of problem. So the thing is that this value is true and this value isn't true. So we can do another thing. For example, if the var1 and var2 is true and the var3 and var4 isn't true, in that way this statement, the codes inside the curly braces should run. So go to the browser and refresh it, and now the value of both variables are same. Okay, actually the both variables are not same. This is a simple text, but the thing is that this command is running. Okay, now if, or actually what I'm just doing it, this is the simply logical operator. We can use the a and d command instead of the text. We can also use two strophes in this way. Okay, it will work same as previous. Perfect. Now I'm just copying this if command and pasting it here, and now here I'm just putting or. Okay, or. Now save it. What is the thing actually? Only one or both as well, but at least one command should be true. Okay, one condition should be true, this condition or this condition. Here the both, this condition and this condition, but here this condition or this condition, or the both of them as well, no problem. Refresh it, and now I'm just getting the value same. Obviously this is true, however this is true or not, no matter, but this is true as well. Here I'm just putting a simple br tag and saving it. Go to the browser, refresh it. Now this is the another line, the value of both variables are same, whatever. This is a simple text, So in this way I hope you understood that how to use the logical operators. And if you just want to use or in the special character way, so just put this sign instead of simple text or. and refresh it. Now I'm just getting the same thing, nothing has changed. Now if I just put here here I'm just putting the equal to sign, so obviously var3 and var4 are not equal to each other, but var1 and var2 is. So go to the browser and refresh it. Now I'm not getting the first one's value. Okay, here I'm just typing first, here I'm just typing second for understanding. Refresh it. Now I'm just getting the second's value, that means it isn't true. But here if I just type again the same thing, same coding, and go to the browser and refresh it, and still I'm just getting the second value. Why? Because obviously that here I'm just telling, or actually the coding is telling that var3 and var4 should be equal to each other, and obviously they are not, and here var2 and var1, so they are. But here I'm just telling or, it means this or both of them, and here I'm telling this and this. Okay, it means must both of them. So this is a really basic difference between them. I hope you understood. We will learn some more things about the logical operators. Actually I'll just make a simple login panel using the PHP commands in next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.